Low moisture cleaning is changing the industry. Back in the day, you needed to have a big carpet cleaning van, an expensive setup in order to clean carpets. But nowadays, we're smarter, we know better. You don't have to have that. Low moisture method of carpet cleaning is an amazing and efficient method of carpet cleaning. Yet sometimes people have a hard time describing low moisture carpet cleaning to customers. They show up with their small equipment and the customer's expecting a big truck, and guess what? Now you have to explain to the customer why your method is actually going to be just fine for the job. And so today I'm going to show you some tips on how to explain the low moisture method carpet cleaning to your customers by telling you about the benefits of the low moisture carpet cleaning system. So the first tip I have for you is to avoid the question altogether. You are the expert in this industry. There's no reason why you need to start getting into the complicated chemistry of what you're doing, all right? You're the expert. You show up there to clean your carpets. The customer only cares about clean carpets. They don't care if you use a toothpick, all right? But get the carpets cleaned. That's all they care about. Don't need to get into methods or chemistry, okay? Don't worry about it. But one of the biggest benefits, obviously, is the dry time, all right? Dry time dries in 1 hour. Why would you want to wait 6 to 8 to 10 hours for your carpets to dry, deal with issues like mildew and mold, and not be able to use your home and your carpet? And who's going to want to clean their carpet like that? Okay, we are offering an alternative, which is a benefit, which should cost more. It's a premium service. So instead of having these carpets that take 8 hours to dry, your method is going to dry in only 1 hour. The low moisture method also is more eco-friendly. We're using a fraction of the amount of water, which is amazing. It's cheaper for the customer, it's cheaper for you, and it's better for the environment. The next benefit is that there's no disposal of sewage water. So typically, after the end of a regular truck-mounted carpet cleaning, hot water extraction method of carpet cleaning, you have to dispose of that water someplace. Well, you don't have that issue with low moisture, all right? Everything gets absorbed with the pad and thrown in the washing machine after. So it's much, much easier and much better for the customer and for you. But also, if you're in an apartment complex or if you're in a heavy populated city and you can't park, a lot of times it's not possible for you to use a big truck mounted system, and you have to use a system like a portable or a low moisture system. And that's when low moisture really shines, because you can get in and out of buildings really easily. Hotels, apartment complexes, all that kind of stuff, you need to have a low moisture system. All right. Another benefit is that we're actually agitating and scrubbing the carpets. All right. The hot water extraction, the truck mount guys don't do that. They just spray and they vacuum. All right. We're scrubbing the carpets. We're getting everything deep in there. That's another benefit. And also, you don't have to have a big, loud, polluting, gasoline engine that's leaking oil out in the front of their yard. This is an electric system. We're not using gasoline. There's no pollutants. I mean, there's no, exhaust that's like pumping into their house from the big van outside. It's not making a bunch of noise. All these things are serious benefits that you can talk to your customer about when you're selling your low moisture carpet cleaning system. Now, a bonus to this video, I want to explain some of the benefits to the carpet cleaner to getting into the low moisture system instead of purchasing a big truck mount. The number one thing is the low startup cost. I mean, instead of having to buy a $100,000 carpet cleaning van, you can get started for less than $1,000 cleaning carpets with the low moisture system. And that's just amazing. Another thing is that it's less messy. You're not dealing with sewage water. You're not dealing with soaking carpets. You're not dealing with the big van. All right. The next one is huge. Lower maintenance. Okay. These truck-mounted vehicles and truck-mounted machines require a lot of maintenance. You're constantly doing oil checks, changes. You're having to do maintenance, 50-hour, 150-hour, 100-hour, 200-hour maintenances, constantly replacing parts, and everything for these truck mounts are so expensive. There's no cheap way around maintaining these machines. They're very, very costly machines. And a lot of times the customer's not willing to pay that price. So you got to think about that when you're making your investment to start a carpet cleaning business. And another benefit also, of course, is being able to operate in places that a truck mount cannot operate. So are you going to take hoses up to an apartment building or to a hotel? No, you're not. You're going to take the portable machine But these portable machines are really huge, okay? But the low moisture system is smaller, they're on wheels, they're easy to carry, in and out of elevators, one man can carry it. So a lot of benefits. So listen, if you're thinking about getting started into a carpet cleaning business but don't have enough money for a truck mounted van, don't worry about it, because you can use the low moisture system, get amazing results, and make a great profit as a business owner. Hey listen, my name is Alistair. I do all kinds of video content on how you can improve your carpet cleaning business and grow your business and start your business. Follow me along if you found this information useful, and I'm going to share so much more tips and tricks on how you can grow and scale your carpet cleaning business. Until next time, talk to you soon.